Hello guys, this is Joan of Art and let's learn Ilonggo once again. And I'm here at my little art gallery. I have a few paintings right behind me and also there. This one is a piece done by Ronan de los Santos, a good friend of mine. And this reminds me of a good Ilonggo word that I could not discuss without this painting. As you can see, this is a nude painting, naked. So the Ilonggo word for naked is nagauba. The root word is uba, which means to take off your clothes or to get naked. That's the word uba, U-B-A. That's simply spelled. Some people also spell it as O-B-A, oba. It doesn't matter if it's oba or uba. It depends upon your own preference. For me, I would like to say uba. So nagauba or uba. That's our word for today. I hope you learned something new and appreciate a little bit of art. This is Joan of Art. See you once again in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!